How to get an empty name or an empty display name on Roblox. So basically, this method is just an actual glitch. You do not need to use any website that you can copy and paste those IGNs or endgame name or even a display name, pasting it into your Roblox display name without any context in it. So the way you do it is just of course open up your Roblox application and then just head straight into the gear icon, going into your settings. Now under settings, you just have to key in and head into your display name. Here, what you want to do is to highlight all the current display name that you have in your Roblox account. Now, what you are going to do next is just to clear everything and hit on save. If you cannot click it, you just have to retry it again. So this is just a specific glitch, meaning that you need to do it multiple times for this to work. Now, if you have tried it multiple times and it's still not working, all you have to do is just simply clear cache on your current Google browser and try to redo the same process again. Again, this is a glitch that you need to do it multiple times. That is how you put an empty name on your Roblox display name.